Have you ever heard of variables in Scratch, such as score or speed? Well, today I'm going to be teaching you about variables and how to use them. See here, I have this simple script so that when you hover over the triangle, it gets bigger. And now we need to create a new variable. So the way you do that is you go from wherever you were over here to the variable section. Then you press make a variable and you can name this clicks, for instance. And you can see it will display clicks over here. Now, when the sprite is clicked, we can set clicks to 0. So when it's clicked, we set the clicks to 0. But since it's already 0, we want it to have another number so that we can set it to 0. So we can go to the change clicks by section. And this means basically when the sprite is clicked, change clicks by 1. Or you can change it to whatever you want, such as 90, 70. But for simplicity, we're just going to keep it that way. So now when the sprite's clicked, you can see that this will change by 1. And it's at 5 now. We can use the set clicks block so that when the sprite's clicked, we can set our clicks to 0 and it'll set to 0. Typically, you want to do this under the when green flag is clicked. So when the sprite is clicked, change clicks by 1. Now when the sprite is clicked, it's going to change clicks by 1 as usual as before. Now when the green flag is clicked right here, it's set to 0. Now the show and hide things. So when the sprite is clicked, then hide variable. As you can see, it hides it. Now when the sprite is clicked, show the variable. As you can see, it shows it. That was pretty much it for variables. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and bye.